The first term of an arithmetic sequence is -7, and the common difference is 3. A. List the first 6 terms of the sequence, 1 mark. B. Determine the sum of the first 50 terms of the sequence, 2 marks.
So that is the question. Let's go straight to the solution. Part A of the question. List the first 6 terms of the sequence. Now, when listing the first 6 terms of the sequence, we need to know how to write the nth term of the sequence. How do we write the nth term of an arithmetic sequence? So the nth term is given by this formula: a plus n subtract 1 multiplied by d, where a is the first term, n is the number or the position of the term, and d is the common difference. Having known now how to write the nth term of any arithmetic sequence, now we can list the first 6 terms of the sequence. How do we write the first term of the sequence? So the first term is given by a. That is how you write the first term, is given by a. And in this case, a is -7. Now this is how we write this. If we are writing the second term, we are going to substitute n with 2. If we are writing the first term, like in this case, how have we obtained -7? Since when you use this formula that is here, this is how we use it. So a is -7, we are substituting, then plus n, because it is the first term, the position of that term is 1, so n is equals to 1, so 1 subtract 1, then multiply by the common difference, which is 3. Now you notice this will give -7 plus 0. This 0 times 3, which is 0, and that is how we have arrived at -7. So we just need to substitute. If you're getting the second term, we are going to substitute. N will be 2. If it is the third term, n will be 3. If it is the fourth term, n will be 4. If it is the fifth term, n will be 5, and so on and so forth. So the second term, now you should write the second term. Now the second term, a is -7. A is -7. Then plus n, because it is the second term, n will be 2. So this will be 2 subtract 1, and then multiply by the common difference, which is 3. So this will give -7 plus these 2, this 1 times 3, which is 3. So it will be -7 plus 3, which will give -4. So the second term is -4. So the second term, therefore, if you want to simplify the whole of this thing, the second term is given by a plus d. As simple as that. That is already the second term. The third term, now the n, the value of n, when you're writing that term, n will be 3. So we just substitute everything in this formula here. So a is -7. Is -7 plus n is 3 minus 1 multiplied by 3. This will give -7 plus this is 2 times 3, which is 6, and this will give -1. So that is -1. So you notice that to get the third term is given by a plus, use a different pen here, a plus 2d. That is how we get that term. The fourth term, in the fourth term, n will be substituted by 4. So we have a, which is -7, plus n minus 1. So n is 4 minus 1 multiplied by d, which is 3. So this will give -7 plus 4 minus 1. This is 3 times 3, which is 9. So this will give -7 plus 9, which will give 2. So that is the fourth term. So the fourth term, if you want to simplify this, the fourth term is given by a plus 3d. A plus 3d. The fifth term, we are going to substitute n with 5. So the first term is -7 plus n minus 1. N is 5, subtract 1, multiply by d, which is 3. This will give -7 plus, this is 4 times 3, which is 12. So this will give -7 plus 12, this will give 5. So the fifth term is 5. So how do we get the fifth term? The fifth term is obtained by a plus 4d. Let's go to the last one, which is the sixth term. In the sixth term, n will be substituted by 6. So we have a, which is -7, plus n minus 1. N in this case is 6, subtract 1, multiply by d, which is 3. So this will give -7 plus, this is 5 times 3, which is 15. And this will give -7 plus 15 will give 8. So 8 is the sixth term. So how do we get this? The sixth term is given by a plus 5d. So those are the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So what you need to know is how to use these, the nth term. So if you're getting the first term, n will be 1 is equals to 1. When you're getting the second term, n will be 2. When you're getting the third term, n will be 3, and so on. Then we are given that question, we're given a is -7 and d is 3. So our work was just to substitute here. So in simple terms, the first term of any arithmetic sequence, the first term is given by a, the second term is given by a plus d, then the third term is given by a plus 2d. You can go on. The fourth term is given by a plus 3d, and so on and so forth. And how do you arrive to these? We simply, if you're getting the first term, we just go to this formula that you have here of getting the nth term. So if you are getting the first term, you just substitute n with 1. If you're getting the second term, substitute n with 2, and so on. That is how you arrive to these. So that is the first part of the question. Let's go to the second part of the question. Now the second part of the question, we are required to get determine the sum of the first 50 terms of the sequence. This one is an arithmetic sequence. How do you get the sum of a number of terms of an arithmetic sequence? It is given by this formula. Sum of a number of terms, which is n, of any arithmetic sequence is given by this formula. N divided by 2 into brackets multiply by 2a plus n minus 1 d, where n is the number of terms that you're getting the sum, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. Now we are required to get the sum of the first 50 terms. So if this first 50 terms, n will be 50. Then we have a is -7. Then we have what else do we have? We have d is 3. So we need to simply substitute these in the formula. So the sum of the 50 terms of the sequence, sum of the 50 terms is given by S50 is equals to n over 2, which is 50 divided by 2, then multiply by 2, multiply by a, which is -7, like that, then plus n minus 1, which is 50, subtract 1, then everything multiplied by the common difference, like that. So you're just substituting here. So this will be given by, this will be 50 divided by 2 will be 25, then this will be negative 14 plus this will be 49 times 3. So this will give 25. This will be negative 14 plus, if you multiply this 49 times 3 using the calculator, 49 times 3 you get 147. This will give 147, like that. Then take 25 multiply by negative or minus 14 plus 147, minus 14 plus 147, that will give positive 133. This will give positive 133. So you multiply these, 25 times 133, you get 33, 25, and that is now the sum of the first 50 terms of the sequence. That is how you're supposed to solve that question.